Hello, Tekto! Good morning sa Pilipinas! Good morning, Philippines! Good evening sa America! Mag-video ko guys, no? Maglimpyo ko sa tiil. Akong ipakita kung saan ang paglimpyo ang tiil na ako'y bagong nakatunan. Bagong nakatunan, no? Let's go do it! Let's go do it! Ay, magsugod na ta guys, no? Ang rason di ay, og nganong ako ni siyang inananaon sa paglimpyo, kay tungod, inigpalit na to sa tiil, gikan sa tindahan. Dito na to, no? Kanang gikan sa tindahan, inigpalit na to sa tiil gikan sa tindahan, no? Kaning inani. Excuse me. Ato na ni siyang ritsuhon og kanang hugas, kanang tagtangon ni siya, o niyang kuko. Pero, ganing pinutlan siya. Inikaluto na ba nang malata na, gusto man ta nga humok yun. Kani mga bukog nga dako, na ay mga dugmok. Nani nani, dugmok siya ba? Nya matangtang naman siya inikaluto na, kani mga nani maglain na siya ba? Bukog man eh. Ano mga putol-putol nga bukog, si? Mo na nga akong iusab ang paglimpyo. Nya mo na akong i-videohan. Mo na siya, no guys, kani. Una na kong buhaton, usa-usa lang sa ta. Kuhaon sa ni na kong tunga, no? Kaning tunga ba? Kita mo ni kani ni siya. Kuhaon jud ni siya. Kuhaon sa na siya. Kani. Si tambok, di ba? Tambok, si. Ko na siya. Kahuman ang kuko. Ang uban lutoon nga nay kuko, pero ako dili ko muluto sa kuko, tangtangon na siya. Na. No? Ano siya? Tangtang na, no? Upat ka kumagko, upat sad ka kuko, katagas bias kuko. Karon putlonin ako ang diha. Dangog guys, dangog. Na pagkahuman, gahi siya guys. Kay hilaw man. Ay. Magbuhat ka ni ginani. Magbantay kay kuan ka na ni dangog. See? No, makakuha na siya. Dili na ka mag-usap-usap. Ani, o na. Awa, o. Mao mo na siya makabukog. Kani siya ba na, o? Kuha ni mo ba niya? Madugmok pag siya. Nigluto na. Matangtang pag itong mga, siguro nag-crack na din, ha? So, kahumok na, magbuwag-buwag pag yun, no? Mapil na, sakit, makalit ni mag-usap. O mo na ni siya resulta. See? At least, kabalo ka kani mabukuga ka ni dili hait. No? Ya, daghan ako nahuman guys. Ubay-ubay na ako nahuman, no? Ubay-ubay na siya. Pero, naapa ko'y daghang limpyohanan. Oh, kanusta ni mahuman? Daghan pa, no? To. Tagsaon lang nako siya, guys. Niadto mi sa tindahan pag amot na ko kasabaw yung ko sa kuban na matuko gamay human tad ako sa tindahan sa Asian store nya ang akong mga napalit mao ni see nagpalit ko ani buwad pero nag-order na ko sa online guys pero kanonon man kog buwad so mura na akong napalit kani taong okra o batchoy favorite ni sa akong mama o kana siya repolyo no repolyo mura na siya o kana mura na akong napalit kamao man muluto akong banaw ginani UST no we went to the store and I want to show you guys what I bought today. Ta-da! I like noodles so I have different kind of noodles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kinds because this is the same and this one see this is the same so 5 kinds of noodles and palit sa ko ani palit ko buwad patsoy taong see og okra no og kani siya repolyo guys no muna akong gipalit kanina na unya nagpalit sad ko og tiil gawas atong buwad nagpalit ko og tiil og nagpalit ko ani guys ako ipakita nangita ko og kanang ginamos I'm trying to find many times and online does selling online Asian store the kanang cold in the Philippines ginamos pero ang mga ginamos the salty this is the silver fish I like salty fish in the jar. Salted fish. The baby, this is what I want. See? A tiny baby fish. See? Muna siya akong gusto. Well, I can't find this the salted fish in the jar like this. You know, so I bought like 8 boxes for this, and I make my own ginamos. I make my own salty fish, and I put it in the jar. I did before, but kind of I did before like this kind of fish also, but I did not do it right, so it turned to what I like, but it's the smell, it's something, it turned to, you know, like a smell rotten bad. So I'm gonna try this again. We'll see if I can make it, and I will show you guys after that. That I have to ask my sister how to make it. She had one of her business and Bicol is to make like that, a salted fish, and put it in the big jar, and then I wanna ask how to make it. And also dried fish, she have that kind of business because they are close to the sea. They live in the close to the beach, and they're buying some fishes. So I also gonna show you guys. Sorry, I'm Bisaya, but I'm trying to speak English. Even my English is tumbling because I'm not gonna load. I'm not the ones gonna do edit for this. It's my husband. I tried before to doing edit, but my back hurt. So I have this one, two chicken feet, and I want to show you guys. Before, I have noticed, before I just wash it, remove nails, and then remove this in the middle, and then I just wash it good, and then, you know, cook it like boiled first before, and then until they get very soft. And but after that, when you eat it, do you see these bones? These bones also not good, because I think when they cut it they have this I think they, you know, crack, the bones crack, and then when you boiled it, and then the bones, the crack, they separate to the meat. So when you eat it, sometimes it hurt your teeth. So I'm doing different cleaning today for this, and so I don't have to fight the bones when you try to eat it, and then, you know, you want to feel that it really tastes good chicken feet, and then you chew the bones, you go, ow, you go like that, ow. So I'm gonna try and show you. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. I see this in the video how they do it, but I can do it how they do it, but because they cut the skin, the, you know, all the like finger, what do you call this? They cut this, the four of it, and then they cut this middle here, and then they remove the bones, the whole thing. I don't know how to do it. Maybe I need a very sharp thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I did it, how I do it. First I remove this one. I remove this one, the middle one, make sure you remove this. Some I see that um, I seen some, you know, not only one person, they cook the chicken feet, but they don't clean this and they don't remove the nails. You have to remove the nails, and this one in the middle, and then you cut the nails because it's too long. No good to cook, to include for cooking, because oh, I don't know, we just don't include that. See, oh, this is the thing that we remove in the middle. It's fat anyway. And then 4 nails, and they're very long nails. See, very long nails. And then after that, this, it's open now. See, and no more nails in there. Then I chop. The person that I seen in the person that I mean the video that I seen in the YouTube, they cut this whole thing here, in here, and the whole, you know. But I don't know how to do that, and I think, but me, I just only bones this one. This is the only bones that I don't like it, because if you look at it, it's a lot of sharp looking, and it's shaking. See, if you touch it, it's because when they cut it, I think they just crack it and then they leave some, you know, already removed, but it's not separate. It's because of the meat of the chicken feet, so they're that's why they're still there. But when you boil it and you want this soft, when you boil it, the bones, those little bones there that are already cracked, they will separate, or they're still there, but when you chew it, it's no good. It's hurting your mouth. So, well, I'm gonna do this one like that. Got it. See, that's what I'm doing. That's what I am doing. Here, cut this one. Make sure you cut it. And then you cut this area. And I'm going to slow because I don't want to cut my finger. I need my finger. My knife, I think my knife is need to be sharp. It's dough. Okay, I'm not good for this, but it's very slippery. Very slippery, guys, so be careful. Well, I think it's very also convenient and easy. Just wash it, and you know, like, but like what I said, those cracked bones, it will separate while you're boiling it, and then when you chew it, it bothers, you know. So like this. See? Oh, see how sharp it. See how sharp it is, and so I like that. This is what it looks like now, like the dog chewing at first. See? Like the dog chewing it first before. See, you don't eat this. You don't eat this anyway because this is a fat. Long fingernails. I need my nails long too, but you won't go like this. But chicken is go easy, very sharp and pretty. Oh, cut this one also. This is the old one. See how broken, see how broken it is. So if you don't remove this, hey, too much bones that you dangerous, you know. So you have to remove that. You probably will say, why you have to do that? It's easy if you just boiled it, and I do that too. But like what I said, it's easy for me to eat when you don't feel those very sharp bones in your mouth. And also less also, guys, if you remove before you cook it, because this is I bought it from Asian store, and I don't know, I cannot tell if it is really fresh or how many weeks or days. When you cook it, you can smell the bones. This big one you can smell, and I don't know, me, I don't like the smell, so I'd rather remove that one. You don't really have to do that, because but it's just me, guys, I think I just like additional in my job. Because in the Philippines, we just cook it. My family eat the chicken feet, because it is really good. And well, it's different there in the Philippines, because you can go to the market and you can buy the fresh. You can buy the fresh that they just butcher on that day, and you go there, the market, you can buy. So I think that is the difference. You cannot smell the inside the bones for the old thing smell, Well, guys, that's all for tonight. That's all for tonight. There, see. See. Actually, guys, actually I still have a lot to cut it. See, because I bought like 2 kilos, 2 kilos for myself. See, so I still have a lot here to cut. Well, I put the bones that I removed, and the nails, and the meat in the middle. I just put it here, but still you can tell you still have a lot to go. So all right, see, and there's the clean, and there is need to be clean. The clean and need to be clean, so got a lot of long hour probably. Not long, really long hour. I have to go a little bit faster. Well, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.